Opinions voiced in this program are for general information only and are not intended to provide specific advice or recommendation for any individual. To determine which investments may be appropriate for you, consult with your attorney, accountant, financial advisor, or tax advisor prior to investing. Securities are offered through LPL Financial, member FINRA, SIPC.
Hi folks, I'm Dave Workman with Workman Associates. And in the next 2 or 3 minutes, I'd like to give you the knowledge to becoming a better investor. Now this month, February, we're talking about ways you can show the people that you love by being more organized and more knowledgeable about your insurance and finally preparing for an emergency. Now, if you go to a movie, they talk about where's the exit before anything happens. If you've ever stayed at a hotel, you should look in the back of the door in case there's an emergency to know what the emergency exit is. And if you've ever taken a plane trip, they go through that whole spiel about what to do in case of an emergency before it happens. They're preparing for an emergency before it happens. And you should do the same thing in regards to how your investments are registered, what instruments you have to protect in case you are disabled and or meet an untimely demise. There's what's called the POA. There's a general power of attorney or a power of attorney. There's what's called a living will. There's what's called a do not resuscitate order. These are documents that attorneys make. I don't make them, but I work with a number of great attorneys right here in Logansport and throughout the state of Indiana actually, that we can refer you to make sure that you have these documents. And it's important to let the individuals that would be taking care of you know where these documents are before the emergency arises. You know, it's not uncommon anymore to have mom and dad or just dad live in Logansport and have a son in Seattle and a daughter in North Carolina. You want to make sure that if they're going to be handling your situation in case of a disability and or your demise, that they know where these documents are. We have this booklet right here, Preparing for Emergency, that will give you free of charge as a way of saying thank you for your business. That will show where the documents are, who to contact. And this is a great Excel spreadsheet that we've made as well, that you can list your usernames and your passwords for the websites that you use, so that if anyone would have to take over for you in an expedited fashion, they're going to have the information for you. As I said, this February we've tried to talk about being organized for the ones you love. Go ahead, buy them some chocolates, buy them some candies, buy them whatever you want. But get organized, and we'd like to help you do that. And as I said, it's under no obligation. It's just a way to say thank you for your business. I look forward to talking to you soon.